Hello everyone. So in this video we would see how to perform grouping or group by in your dataset, and you can download the dataset from this link. Okay, all right. So first step is that we shall import our library. So import pandas as pd. But first let me connect the runtime. So first. Okay, I gotta charge it. Okay, now our third step is assign it to a variable called drinks, which is a simple step. And we'll simply print the first 5 rows, and here you can see we have country column, beer serving, spirit serving, wine serving, total liters of pure alcohol, and the continents from where we got all of this data. So the first question we have is which continent drinks more beer on average? So let's see how we can do that. So which continent drinks more beer? So what we can do, our data set name is drinks. So drinks dot, we need to group by continent, right? Continent. Then simply we need to find the mean of beer serving dot mean, and it will give us drinks dot group by continent beer serving dot mean. Group by continent. It's beer servings. Yeah, so the continents are Africa, Asia, Europe, Oceania. No, yeah, Oceania and South Africa. And these are the average beer servings. Then we have for each continent, print the statistics for wine consumption. It will be again kind of same. We'll simply use drinks dot, will group by continent, then we'll simply connect wine servings dot describe, because it says for each continent print the statistics, so we need to print all the kind of data. So we'll use describe. Yes, so it giving us all the data about wine serving. Then we have print the mean alcohol consumption per continent. All right, so here what we can do, we can use drinks dot, we need to group by what? Continent, right? Then here's the thing, it says print the mean alcohol consumption per continent, right? So we need to see this column, mean alcohol consumption. So we have to use this aggregated function agg, and what we need to do, we need to specify that which of the column that we want to get our mean of. So we want beer servings mean, then we want wine servings mean, then we want spirit serving mean, and then at last we have total liters of pure alcohol, and we also have to find mean of this. Then if you run it, what's the error? Spirit serving. Okay, it will be spirit servings. So this gives us all the average value of our total alcohol serving, right? Okay, now it says print the median alcohol consumption per continent. So it will be kind of same, but we just have to change mean with median. So we'll copy this, we'll paste it in here, we'll just simply change it with median. Yes. Okay, now the last one is print the mean like average, mean and mixed values for spirit consumption. Okay, for that simply from drinks we'll group by continent, then we need spirit servings dot hg aggregate. We want average, we want mean, and we want max, and this shall give us our result. And here okay, I'm forgetting even the spelling of group. Okay, so this is giving us mean and max of continent for spirit consumption. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.